How to enter referral code on Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, check out your Temu application in your mobile device. Over here, to enter your referral code, first and foremost you will have to select on a product. Now over here, go ahead and click on the Buy Now option. Make sure that you have entered your billing address. Select on the quantity of your order. After that, choose a payment method. If you have selected card, you will have to enter your card number, expiration date and your CVV. After which, you can scroll down. There you will see the option of Apply Coupon Code. You need to select on the option. Over here, you will find an empty field in which you will have to enter the referral code that you have. Then, click on Apply. If the referral code is valid, you will see substantial discount in your grand total as well. If not, make sure to check for the expiration date of the referral code as well. By this way, you'll be able to enter and use referral code on Temu app. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.